In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a suggested email address in Gmail. We all know how convenient it can be when Gmail suggests email addresses as we type, but it can be frustrating when incorrect or outdated addresses keep popping up. Whether it's an address with a typo or an old contact you no longer need, removing these suggestions can streamline your email experience and prevent any accidental sends. Let's walk through this step-by-step process to ensure that your email composition is precise and efficient. First, let's open up your Gmail account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the Compose button, which you'll find in the upper left corner of the page. This will open up a new email window. This is where the magic happens as we address the issue of those pesky suggestions. Next, you'll want to start typing the email address that you aim to remove in the To field of your email. As you type, you'll see a drop-down list appear below the field, displaying various suggested addresses based on what you've entered. This is where Gmail's memory kicks in, offering you options based on previous emails you've sent or received, and even the autofill addresses. When you see the incorrect suggestion appear in this list, it's time to take action. Carefully hover your mouse over the unwanted email address. You might notice that simply hovering doesn't seem to have any effect immediately, but it's an important precursor to the next step. Now here comes the pivotal step. Right-click on the undesirable suggestion. Depending on your operating system and browser, the options might be slightly different, but generally you will see an option allowing you to remove or forget this particular suggestion. Select this option, and just like that, you've deleted the unwanted email address from appearing as a suggestion in the future. It's really that straightforward. However, a quick tip. Be cautious while hovering and right-clicking to ensure you're focusing on the correct suggestion. Sometimes in our hurry, we can accidentally choose the wrong entry, so take a moment, ensure the email you're removing is indeed the outdated or incorrect one. Remember, keeping your suggested contacts list clean not only speeds up the process of composing emails, but also helps avoid sending emails to addresses unintentionally. No more typos and no more outdated email addresses to clutter your suggestions. Enjoy a tidier, more efficient emailing experience with these simple steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your Gmail interface just that little bit neater and more personalized to your current contacts. Be sure to keep watching our channel for more handy tips and tricks just like this. Happy emailing,